Hey guys, welcome to No Fridays. My name is Stoyan, and in this series, we're looking at different improvements that can be implemented on a website or a Google Business profile of businesses that can help them convert more users into customers, actually into paying customers. So today we're looking at M3 Trades, which is a bathroom fitting company that's based in Birmingham, and it's serving the area and the surrounding areas. Their website looks quite okay. It looks neat, nice colors, lots of useful information. And I have a few suggestions here. So when I was exploring their rankings, I've noticed that they have different pages that are serving that like geo pages, like pages for the different areas they cover. So they have like one for Birmingham, they have one for Bromsgrove, and they have a few others. So the problem with those pages is that they're not ranking that much, and not all of them are linked properly from the website. So suggestion is going to be if they go to the footer, for example, and create a section areas we cover, they can have that section here as well. And it's going to be simpler for users to find what areas they serve, but it's going to also be useful for crawlers like Google to find what are the areas they serve easier. Something else that I've noticed is that they have a portfolio section, and when you scroll down here, you can see that they have images from various projects they have completed. And my suggestion here is going to be if for each of those projects, they can create a separate page and basically tell the story that's behind the project, like how long did it take them to complete the project, like what the customer wanted, what is that they suggested, how long did it take, like what material did they use, what's the area where the customer was. Because I see that they have this area page here for Bromsgrove, but when you type in something like bathroom fitters Bromsgrove, they don't rank there. But if they have a couple of contents that are going to supplement that, like a couple of case studies or happy people, they can call it whatever they want, and they talk about that area, then they're going to feed Google with more information about their expertise in that area. And that more information is going to help them rank better on Google for that particular area. And they can replicate that for the rest of the areas. So this is something that I wanted to discuss. And when you go to the services that they offer, they have like renovations, upgrades, emergency repairs, etc., etc. But none of these sits on a separate page. So when you click on any of those, you're being scrolled down a little, and there's some information about the service, but nothing in details. So my suggestion is going to be to create different pages for the different services, and where you can talk in details about what the service is about, how long does it take, what's the process, the overall process that a customer goes through, and you can point out some USPs, some reviews in there to make the users convert better. So those are the suggestions that I wanted to make here. For those of you who are not aware of who we are La Marketing, and Tune Up Friday is what I mentioned in the beginning. Like, we're aiming to show how businesses can achieve better rankings in order to attract more customers on Google. And our company is called La Marketing, and it's an SEO company. We're based in Leicester. And with what we do, we're helping our clients get better rankings with their Google Business profiles, websites, and what's that resulting is more money because more people are calling them for a service. So if you want to see your website featured in one of those series, you can just comment below the video, or you can just get in touch with the marketing and we'll have a chat. Cheers for now. Bye.